This is my new video. And today I'm gonna show you all my video. Just ignore that sound because my neighbor is loud. Anyways, this is my level, Sky Blue. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you I'm not pro. I'm not pro, bro. Sorry if I have lag. Next, it's called How Are You? This is a bit hard.
Geometry Dash.
And I'm gonna tell you guys that I count this two. Yeah, just anyways. The next is Trick and Madness. Later, I'm gonna show you my account. Yeah, bro, I moved. Tell in the comments that if my levels are okay. Yeah, that part is actually a load. Yeah, that's ugly. But anyways, I have the last one, my level. It's called Kendet Dash. And the time of this is long. Let's try this. Yeah. Now I'm gonna show you how this is my account, guys. And my name here is Ed's Place. Yeah, so this is for today, guys. Goodbye.